So this is a Sachs Dolmar, one of my buddies at work gave me, and I pulled over a few times, and yeah, I noticed that it's leaking gas all over and wasn't getting any sparks. So I went ahead and upgraded the coil from an old condenser coil, old school. Anyways, so it's got like your plug wire, and then it's got a kill wire, and then it's got one that goes down to the condenser. It tells us, yeah. Anyway, so I replaced that with an upgraded coil. I've got good spark, but I think I've got good spark and I've got gas, but I don't understand why it's not firing up. It fired for me one time outside, but then ever since then it hasn't fired again. So I've dried out the spark plug, tried all that, everything. So now I'm gonna check compression on it. I'm not sure what the compression is supposed to be on these old saws, but we'll see. Here's a compression tester I'm working with. Oh, let's see, it looks like that one. I don't think that's that one. It's screwing right into this, so I'm trying anyways. And that fits pretty good. It's fitting pretty good. Sorry, my camera work. This is the first video I've ever made, so yeah, that seems tight enough. This guy here. Say hi, Moose. Goose, 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 goose. Right. So we're gonna thread this into this. I'm just twisting the hose, you know. Look at this, squish this whole rig down a little bit. Right, and then we got this end. Sorry about, I got a huge mess out here I gotta clean up. Alright, let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's just a quick connect, you know. Quick connect, release. Battery's probably dead on this thing. On. Oh. What we got? Can't really see it. 0 pounds. Alright. Let's figure out where to put this damn thing at. Get up in there. Yep, we'll be able to see that. I think. We'll try it. Whatever's 14 pounds. Alright. 18.5. That's not gonna work. This is light too. Why won't they come on? Anyways, 18.5. This is sitting, holding it pretty good. Let's try to go and see what it comes up with. $20, huh? Wow. Yeah. That's really low. Yeah, I was able to unscrew it without even anything happening. Get this unscrewed out of here. I'm going to put a little bit of oil down here and do I've got some of this mystery oil. Try putting some of this down there. I got a little funnel down here. It's dirty. Clean that real quick. Sorry, camera working. It's terrible. I don't know how people do this with one hand. Clean this funnel out a little bit. Get the funnel down there. A little bit of this. Oh, that's way more than enough. Alright, get that out of there. Oops, shit. I'll put this cap back in there. Alright. Now, we'll screw the compression tester back in. I don't know if I'm talking loud enough or I'm talking too loud. Screw this back in. Put the phone down for a second. I can't get this thing started. Oh my word. Alright, I gotta start it. Get this thing spun in here. This thing's good and tight. Almost. About as tight as I can get it. Alright. Now we got some oil in there. Let's check this, try this again. Man, that still was not. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be up like at least 60. Oh, so anyways, that's where I'm at. I don't know if it's worth putting the piston rings in it. I don't know. We will have to see.